you know I love me a good Amazon wig, and I have one here for you guys. Okay, so this is from UNICE, and they sent me this unit, so this video is sponsored. And I want to talk about what's in here. Okay, let's do it. This is a 13 by 4 pre-everything lace wig, and this is their Body Wave 24-inch unit. This comes with some elastic bands. I have a few of them, a comb, edge brush, and a HD wig cap. Now these wigs come with tape, installing tape that you could definitely use to install your units, and she comes pre-curled. I love these units because they are pre everything, so you really don't have to do anything to these wigs. You go ahead and pluck the hairline a little bit more if you want to, but it's not necessary. The lace is cut, the knots are bleached, the hairline is plucked, and the hair is already styled, as you can see. The lace is HD on these units, which I like myself. Let me show you the cap construction. This is the cap construction on this particular wig. Now this is a fake scalp. You can keep this on or you can leave it off, but it's supposed to give you look of your stocking cap underneath and the fake scalp. I don't know if this is going to be too light for me and my skin tone when I put it on, but we'll definitely see. Also, you have an adjustable band right here, a drawstring, so you could tighten up your wig. You do have combs, and you have an adjustable band right here as well. And it does come with tape. You can definitely take this off. I'm not a tape user. So this is what that fake scalp looks on me. Honestly, this is a bit too light for my skin tone, so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on, and if you do decide that you do want to take it off. So all of these units can be glueless if you want them to be, or you can use glue for them. It's not a huge deal. Either way, it's fine. So before I fully install this unit, I wanted to show you guys what she looks like with the fake scalp on. And you can definitely see a demarcation. It's not bad, but because I'm a darker complexion, you can definitely see it. You can go in with some tint to tint it. Don't have to glue these units down. You can leave them glueless. I like to glue mine down because I like the option of. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and install this with the silk. Is this a silk-based scalp? Because they used to have silk-based scalps back in the day. Whatever it is, I'll put it in the description. But I just want to show you guys what it looks like with it on. And then at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to remove it, just in case if you want to remove it, okay? So I am going to use my Red by Kiss to install this unit. I have a whole bunch of videos of me installing this, and I'm just going to go ahead and give myself some baby hairs. And yeah, that's what I'm about to do right now. Now, see, I love these units, like I said before, because they are pre-everything, so it's easy for on-the-go wig. You can just put them on and go on about your business. So, and I'm not a good curler as it is, so I like when these wigs do come curled. It just makes everything easier for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl this, and I'm gonna go ahead and lay down my baby hairs. And for the makeup that I did use, I used Ruby Kisses in the shade 16, and I did use a fluffy, well, not a fluffy, like a dense contouring brush to apply that all over my lace, so it can help blend in with my natural skin tone. And so after my baby hairs are done, I am going to melt it, and then I am going to go in with like a powder brush or unbrush, and I am just going to comb the curls out. And yeah, that's basically the end of this video. After I took this wig off, I did go back in and wash it to reinstall it, and so I'm going to show you how to remove the silk base or the fake scalp on these wigs. Like I said, if that is not for you, you don't have to do that. The company put it on these units so it could give you a better illusion, so you wouldn't have to use a stocking cap. So yeah, but just for added protection, I'll always wear a stocking cap. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're interested in this wig, I will have everything linked down below in the description for you. This is a new wig that is trending in 2025. So yeah, if you have any questions or concerns, leave them down in the comment section, and I will